guys, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. As you've seen from the title, we're going to be making our own almond milk. I just finished a workout and I'm about to make a smoothie, so I was just like, why not try it out now? As someone who grew up drinking like dairy her whole life, and all of a sudden one day I had an allergic reaction, well, not an allergic reaction, but a reaction to dairy, which caused my skin to end up looking like this. I was like, I cannot do dairy no more. We need alternatives. And the one thing I don't like about store-bought alternatives is that they have ingredients that are not necessary or just not good in the long run. So I was like, let me try making it from scratch at home, where I know what's inside, I know the ingredients, and I can actually pronounce the freaking ingredients. So let's get into this video. So all the things you're gonna need are 4 cups of water, which I already put in the blender, some almond butter, some honey, depending on how sweet you want it to be, vanilla essence, and some dates for flavor. Okay, this is gonna be my honest reaction. I tasted it earlier on and then I added some honey because it just wasn't giving me anything. So this is it with honey, dates, almond butter, vanilla essence, water, and that's it. I mean, it still tastes like almond milk, but better, if that makes any sense. You know how almond milk is like bland and you just don't want to drink it? This just might be the solution. I'll give it a try. We'll have shakes for a week and then we'll come back. Worth it. All of that